Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing the correct mod loader and WorldEdit mod so the axe exists. First, confirm Java and Minecraft versions match the mod. Mismatched versions break loading. Once done, download Forge or Fabric for that exact Minecraft version and run the installer to create a mods folder. Then place the WorldEdit. Jar into the mods folder and launch Minecraft. This ensures the mod registers commands and items like the WorldEdit axe when the game starts. Now you obtain the actual WorldEdit axe. If you're playing single player, open the mods menu to verify WorldEdit loaded. On a server, make sure the plugin is enabled. As OP or with permissions, type /want to receive the wooden axe or use /give at WorldEdit, wooden axe if needed. You need operator status or the right permission node so the command works. This gives you the selection tool used for copying, pasting, and region edits, which is why permissions matter. Finally, practice using the axe and resolve common issues. You select two corners, left-click to set position 1 and right-click for position 2, then use commands such as //copy, //paste, and //set to modify your world. Make sure you're in the right tool mode and that no other plugin overrides the wooden axe. If nothing happens, recheck WorldEdit version compatibility, confirm the server has the mod installed, and verify you retain OP or the necessary permission nodes to execute WorldEdit commands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.